Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Just a quick video or update on Korean Evodia trees. So last year was the first year that my in-ground Korean Evodia flowered, and the bees did love the flowers. But I have a bunch in pots, and they all died except this one. This one here was in the greenhouse. And it seems to be doing okay. And I just gave it a systemic treatment, pesticide treatment, and I'll show you why. But even the smaller ones that I had in the small pots, I don't know if it's they don't like being crowded, or they don't like wet feet, or these really surprised me because these were mature, especially this one here. Just up and died. Yeah, that's just all rotten. So you can dump out the soil on these. Don't know why that happened. We got a lot of rain. It just rained out again all last night, this morning. Yeah, and the one that I have in the ground looks like I might lose that too, and it could be because of the white pine weevil. So let's go take a look. I just gave that a treatment too, a systemic treatment, which I don't want to do because then the bees are going to feed on that. It only lasts a couple of weeks, I think. I don't think it makes the tree poisonous, but let's go take a look. So this tree started putting out suckers last summer, and I'm not familiar with the bark. I thought it was just sort of like a textured bark, but I think whatever was in this just really took off this spring, and this is all just like we saw with the pine tree, and it's just spreading up here, and I just treated this. But yeah, I think something is in here. It's not evident, I don't know. So it sort of girdled this branch here, and this branch is it leafed out this spring, but then it's just girdled this here, and cut off the flow of sap to this branch, and it's dead. It's just completely dead. And it's making its way up. It looks like it's onto this branch now too. Unbelievable. So it looks like I'll probably lose that whole tree. And look at that on the bottom there. Something's just making its way. It's a softwood tree. So look at that. Something's eating into the bark. But I do have, I don't know if these will bloom. These are considered over 5-year-old tree because I don't know how that works with a tree like this. If I have to now wait for this shoot to grow for 5 years. But I might have to cut that down to the base. It looks like the whole tree is going to be lost. So, oh well. It's not a good fit for New England, I guess, or whatever the pest is that we have up here. But, yeah, I gave it a systemic treatment and see what happens. But, yeah, it looks like I'm going to, now that I'm looking at this, because it's up here, this is where everything forks off. It's just spread to this here. That could even be a fungus. I don't know what that is. Man, it's just eating that away. Or rotting it away. Huh. Oh well. That's why we can't have good things, nice things. Now, fig trees are kind of softwood trees, so I hope it doesn't hit the fig trees, whatever it is. This is the status of the fig trees. Growing kind of wonky this year. Oh, seem like the growth is kind of stunted. Could be because I have it in these white buckets for ease of transport. But yeah, not much going on. I got to figure out where to put these blueberries that I purchased last year from that blueberry farm in New Jersey. And I think I got a couple from Gurney's or something, and Nature Hill Nursery or something like that. But I think I have some watermelons that are coming up there, cantaloupes. Nothing from there yet. And I just direct sowed peas this year. They're coming up. There's the artichoke I brought in as a house plant and had to battle aphids on that all year. There's the African basil, not doing too good with these cool weathers and rain we've been having. But looks like they're going to make it though. And yeah, got some radishes here. Some more Oregon giant snow peas. Asparagus coming up. Some onions. Yeah, it kills me in this whole yard. I had a couple of cuttings from grapevines that I stuck in. This one's coming up. And this one had a nice leafed out branch. And it got snipped off, probably by a bird. Everything that's in this yard, and that's what they went for. So this is New England gardening, just a little depressing there with that Korean Evodia tree. 5 years to get to that point, and then it gets killed by some unknown pest. I'm just assuming it's something like the eastern white pine weevil. So this is New England gardening. Thanks for watching.